Today we'll see how we made the project called AutoVac. So it is basically based on the TIVA board. It is a TIVA Launchpad, Texas Instrument Launchpad. So we connected two ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection, which are in the front, one on the left and one on the right. And we have two motors, DC motors, which we have pulled off from a toy car. So we've connected these DC motors to the TIVA board using a dual H bridge motor driver. So this drives both the DC motors by taking a PWM signal from the TIVA board. And we have attached a vacuum cleaner that we made out of scratch, as you can see. So this is the vacuum cleaner. This goes in here. Okay. And yeah, that's about the whole setup of the AutoVac.
It cleaned it.
You clean everything, right?